Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and all the protocol observed. I'm going to read the point. Point number 1. William Ruto planning to make this nation a Singapore. If you want to know that William Ruto is a huge liar, look at difference between William Ruto first term and former President Uhuru Kenyatta first term. In Uhuru, during the reign of Uhuru Kenyatta, first term, people used to buy 2 kg of flour at a price of 75 shillings. First term, for the first time before election 2017. Before election 2017, people used to buy 2 kg of flour at a price of 75 shillings.
Hold on. Look, do you know inflation? Are you school?
You are a political dwarf.
No. Amekuuliza simple question. Unajua nini?
Yes. I know inflation. Yes.
Mujibu swali. Amekuuliza. Oh, look, umeuliza swali hata mfano. What is inflation?
Inflation
Not inflation.
Inflation.
price of
It's not a process.
whereby the price of commodity price let me continue.
Look, wewe tulia. Look, wewe Oda. Mwalimu tulia hapa. Umesema ni mapamba. Mapamba ndio tulia hapa. Oda. Mapamba ndio tulia hapo hivyo. Look, kuja. Mwalimu, we still have a long way to go.
Kwa nini?
You know, big body does not to equate to intelligence. I'm sorry. Inflation is a situation where the currency, the currency is just, people talk about the, inflation is not dollar. Dollar is a currency of the US. We have our Kenyan shillings. Are you stupid? Look, explain. Look, kuna kitu nafaa explain hapa.
Inflation.
Speak. Keep quiet.
Let me continue.
Mapamba. Acha Luka malize. Luka jamaliza.
Let me explain inflation. Tumalizane maneno.
If you have ever done business studies, you know the chain of demand and supply.
Yes.
Mapamba naendelea.
So let me continue.
Ongea vitu tu naelewa.
Let me continue.
Ongea tu chenye unaelewa tukisonga.
We were talking about the differences between William Ruto first term and former President Uhuru Kenyatta first term. And we say very well that on Uhuru Kenyatta first term, we used to buy 2 kg of flour at a price of 75 shillings.
Yes.
Look at William Ruto first term. You are buying a price of 2 kg of flour at 150 and 160.
Mr. Speaker, member is not informed. Mr. Speaker, member is not informed. Let us speak about something. Mr. Speaker.
Let me answer you.
Mr. Speaker, member is not informed.
Wewe oda. Kama unajua first time. Oda. First time ya Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Oda hapo hivyo. First time ya Uhuru Kenyatta ilikuwa 2013 2017.
Yes.
So kama unapinga kitu yenye amesema, inua mkono useme ilikuwa pesa ngapi? Sema that. Ndugu yangu amesema ilikuwa Oda! Hey! Mapamba! Tulia! Miguna! Yes. Yes.
Yes. You are correct.
Before election, we buy a 2 kg of flour.
Order.
Member is right. Order. Member is right. 75 to 90. Hakuna tofauti hapo.
So let me
Hakuna
continue.
tofauti.
Let me, and if you want to know that William Ruto is a liar, look at what he has done for the first 3 years.
Unataka kupinga?
Let me continue.
Please. Order.
Order member. There's one thing I want to understand. By the time Uhuru Kenyatta alikuwa anaingia, haikukuwa serikali yake. Atuambie Uhuru Kenyatta alipata unga ikiwa pesa ngapi?
Yes.
Na hapo akiendelea, because Uhuru Kenyatta wakati aliingia unga ilikuwa chini, ukweli bila amesema, but after akishaingia unga ikapanda mpaka akaweka substitute.
Yeah, bas. Sasa hapo. Sasa wewe umeleta vizuri.
Sasa acha nimjibu kwa Kiswahili niseme hivi. Kabla uchaguzi
Order.
wa 2017 Uhuru Kenyatta kabla waende uchaguzi, unga ilipunguzwa kwa bei ya shilingi 75 kwa kilo mbili. So let me tell you, let us continue. So if you want to know that William Ruto is a liar, look at his achievement within 3 years. The extraction of public resources, abduction and extradition killing, theft of public resources. So for you to be a fighter of this nation, you still have a future, you Kenyans. Let us be humble, and for us to save this nation, let us disengage from Kasongo.
What's your name?
On 9th August 2027, Gen Z will turn out at a large number and will vote against him so that we can send it home. We save this nation. As I'm concluding, let us now look at the achievement of opposition. We had the member who opposed that opposition, they don't have agenda. So I have 12-point agenda of opposition. 1, equal job opportunity in all races. Point number 2, agenda number 2, an end of abduction and extra